I've never made food like this before. Beef inner roast. It was half priced. Usually it's 25 euros per kilogram here. Now it was 13. So I'll try and see what happens. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's normal here. I usually wash my meat. I don't know if it's necessary or bad, but that's what I do. It seems to be a bit uneven. So what I'll do is I'll tuck this in like this, I think. Then my normal seasoning, salt and black pepper. I have no clue how much I should put, but this is the amount I'll go with. And same for salt. And then I'll wrap it. So it doesn't dirty my oven. And in case it leaks, I have whatever this is. And then I'll put it in the oven. I put it at 125 degrees. And I'll get back to it once it's been there for like an hour. I have no thermometer, so maybe I'll wait 1.5 hours, but let's see. It's been roughly an hour and 15 minutes. I'll let it sit for a while. It tastes fine, but I wish I had cooked it a bit more. But it'll do.